Hey, writers, welcome back to day 2 of step 2 of the writing process. We are going to continue to draft and write our rough draft for the perfect pet for our opinion writing piece. Yesterday, you wrote your introduction paragraph. Today, friends, we are going to be writing our very first body paragraph. We're going to be writing our very first body paragraph. I am so excited. Let's read our objective together today. Kipsters will be able to write a draft of body paragraph number 1 by using a sentence stem and answering questions. So, friends, by the end of today, you will have your rough draft of your first body paragraph, and you're going to be doing this by using a sentence stem, and you're going to be answering some questions. Let's get started. Now, some of you may be wondering, what is a body paragraph? What am I going to be writing in my body paragraph? Well, in your body paragraph, this is where you're going to tell the reader why we think our animal is the perfect pet, the best pet. This is where we're going to do what, friends? This is where we're going to tell the reader why we think our animal is the best pet. Friends, this is where we have to defend our answer. This is where we're going to have to give our reader some reasons why our animal is the best pet. Now, I have 2 statements here, and I want you to think which is more convincing. The first one is, Mom, I want a dog. The second one reads, Mom, I want a dog because they love you unconditionally. Friends, which one do you think is more convincing? If you thought number 2, I did too. The second one is more convincing. It says, Mom, I want a dog because they love you unconditionally. This is the person that wrote this is defending their answer. They're saying they love you unconditionally. That is why they want the dog. They gave a reason to support their answer choice. Friends, this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to provide our very first reason in our body paragraph. Now, we have some steps to be successful in our body paragraph. There are 2 steps. How many steps are there, friends? There are 2 steps for our criteria for success. Our very first step for our criteria for success is that you need to write the reason why your animal is the perfect pet, and you're going to be using a sentence stem. Friends, what are we going to be using? We'll use a sentence stem to write our very first reason. Now, what is step number 2 for our criteria for success? Step number 2, this is where you're going to write 2 different examples or evidence that support your reason. You're going to write how many examples, friends? You'll write 2. And are they going to be the same? No, friends, they are going to be different. So you're going to write 2 different examples or evidence that support your reason. Now, friends, in our next video, this is where we're going to start step 1 for our criteria for success. I am so excited, and I will see you then.